What happens when a country of the size of India has over 3 million children living on the streets, or has over 150 million children working as bonded laborers, or 1 out of every 6 girl child does not live to see her 15th birthday? What happens when, despite having a national policy for compulsory primary child education in India and a child labour policy, only 50% of the children have access to education? Hello everybody, my name is Shruti Srivas and I am here to talk about child literacy in India. The statement, "Child are the future of the nation," stops making sense when all these things happen. Then, in fact, it sounds like an ominous prophecy. For how can we explain that even after 60 years of independence, half of India's children are illiterate? Despite identifying primary child education as a key thrust area and possessing one of the largest networks of the school in the world. Illiteracy, what does that word mean? It means when somebody has little education or their lack thereof. Now, what happens if a child is not literate? They grow up to become a liability to the society and are unable to contribute to it. This makes it easier to exploit them. The child literacy rate in India is increasing day by day. The literacy ratio of India is 65.38%, with male literacy at 75.85% and female at 54.16%. Of the 193 million children in the age group 6 to 14 years, 8.1 million children are out of school as of September 2004 as per government statistics. The state with highest literacy rate is Kerala, that is 89.8%, and the state with the lowest literacy rate is Bihar, that is 38.5%. At least 35 million children aged 6 to 14 years do not attend school, which includes more than half of the percentage of children. 53% of girls in the age group of 5 to 9 years are illiterate. In India, only 53% of habitation has a primary school and only 20% of habitation has a secondary school. Not only is it difficult to get into a school for them, but also sustaining there is a big task. Dropout rates increase alarmingly in classes 3 to 5. It's 50% for the boys and 58% for the girls. There are no proper facilities or education for primary classes, let alone the higher. In nearly 60% of schools, there are less than 2 teachers to teach classes 1 to 5. On an average, there are less than 3 teachers per primary school. They have to manage classes from 1 to 5 every day. When we educate children, we teach them how to live independently and give them enough knowledge to know their basic rights in the world. So nobody exploits or takes advantage of them purposely. We make them strong enough to sustain in this world. In all, India still has a long way to go and a lot of children to educate in order to secure its future. Padhega India, tabhi to badhega India. Thank you.